I'm amazed at how many claims I get where the homeowner didn't actually live in the property at the time. Now, usually this isn't a landlord that's renting the property out. For instance, when you first buy a house, you don't usually move into it right away. You want to make some repairs. Sometimes you move out of a house temporarily to make repairs or to do a renovation. This is when your house is the most susceptible to claims. First of all, your house is much more susceptible to burglary and theft. And second, depending on the way you acquired your house, you could have an angry prior owner. And third, if you're doing repairs or renovations, of course, your house is much more susceptible to damage. As a result, these types of claims are much more common than you would think. The problem is insurance companies hate these claims. When they find out that a homeowner or policyholder is not residing in the home at the time of the loss, insurance companies sometimes will kick into overdrive to try to deny or drastically underpay that claim. What you don't know, and what the insurance companies do know, is that you're actually provided with a grace period under most policies and under Louisiana law for the standard fire policy, which is incorporated into all fire policies in Louisiana. And this gives you time that you can be absent from your property while you're making repairs or for no reason at all. And you still have coverage and the house is still deemed as being occupied by you for purposes of your policy. What this means is that if your insurance company is claiming there is no coverage because you weren't actually there or you weren't actually living there at the time of the incident, you still may have coverage under Louisiana law. It's going to shock you to hear that insurance companies don't like to front this information to you. If your insurance company is currently trying to deny or drastically underpay a claim because they say you weren't occupying the property at the time of the incident, I strongly recommend you speak to a lawyer that knows the ins and outs of the law as far as occupancy and grace periods go. This may be the difference between getting nothing and not only recovering for your claim, but also being able to make a claim for bad faith and attorney fees.